guys, it's Sophia, and today we are going to read this comic I just made myself called Comic Paper School Day by me. It says by Sophie. Okay, snore very, very loud. Wake up! Oh, 10 more minutes. That's too long! Get up! Chew. Spit. Did you spit? No. Why is there food on the table? Bye. Bye. And they're at International American Academy. Oh. 8A, 8B, 8C. He's an 8D. Oh. Oh, great. I'm early. Huh? Ring. Math. Oh, no. 1 plus 1. Me. Mia. 2. Correct. Oh. Okay. 8 plus 8. Internal. Silence, heartbeat, and vivid background. Brian. 12. Wrong. The end. And now it's time for the credits. Credits. Brian, Mom, Teacher, Mia. Picked by Sophie. Pictures by Sophie. Speech bubble by Sophie. Words by Sophie. Am I covered? Okay. Okay, guys, we are finished. And now that's all. Bye.